there's no job in upholstery cleaning that's complete until we've actually gone into the drying.
Yeah.
Like we said, the drying is probably the most important part of everything that we're going to set up. So one of the great advantages we have is we have some of the best equipment out on the market today. Tim, you want to talk a little bit about the Stealth?
Yeah, this is the Stealth AV3000. It's an axial fan and the quietest axial fan on the market. And what I like about this, it's multi-position. So we can make it do a 360 dry to the carpet. We can use it as an exhaust fan. We talked about dry cleaning and exhausting the fumes.
Mm-hmm.
So we can exhaust out of the house. We can exhaust upstairs if you need it for a carpet clean or dryer. We can even use it on upholstery if you have a large room of upholstery, blowing the air up and over, keeping the air moving in that room.
I remember some of the old axial fans we had out there. I mean, you couldn't hear anything for 3 blocks once you turned them on.
No, it's amazing the technology on this.
It is. So one of the things that we talked about is the pitfalls of drying your cushions on the decking of the material. So what we like to do is we like to take one of our dry pods, probably one of the best small air movers on the market today. It will take and dry out this decking material, so before we leave we're able to put the cushions back on the piece of upholstery before we leave. Because remember, we said the number one cause of damage in upholstery today is drying the cushions on a wet deck material. So we would use the dry pod to do that. Dry pod is also great for helping you dry carpeting in carpet cleaning as well as hard surface cleaning. So it
Mattress
multi-purpose.
cleaning, everything.
Yeah, it is an incredible tool. We also have the advantage of having our Vila Pro, probably the best air mover on the market today in regards of multi-positional. We have a kickstand on this that gives us 5 different positions that we can put this in. The way that it's designed is for a complete airflow situation. So when we're drying our cushions on the plastic like we have here, one of the things to remember is we want to blow the air across the cushions, not directly at them. The idea is not to blow them to the other end of the room. Right. So just create some airflow to help us with some evaporation. So again, we'll go back into it. Drying is probably the most important part of this. We don't want anything to go wrong. We don't want any water staining to occur. So employing great tools like we have here from the Legend Brands family will complete your job for the professional cleaner. All right, so having our drying complete, Tim, I think that at this point we've kind of shown everybody the ease of cleaning upholstery using the correct tools, making sure we understand how important the inspection is.
Well, thanks, Pat. And I want you to know that these will be coming out on YouTube. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and push the notification bell so that you'll be alerted to the arrival of our new videos.
So just remember that Tim and I are always available. You can go to our 800 number, you can go to our live chat. We're always available to answer your questions, whether it's a simple upholstery cleaning to the most advanced spot and stain removal. Take advantage of the experience that we have with the great group of people that Legend Brands has. So we look forward to seeing you for our next video series. Stay tuned and have a great day.
We'll see you next time.